Hello everyone, Aprilia Caponord used to be one of the most popular touring bikes on the market. This bike is characterized by its high load capacity and excellent road handling. However, Caponord has been absent from the market since 2016, and now Aprilia is ready to prepare a new generation of bikes that will definitely be a hit. According to some sources, the new Caponord V4 could be equipped with the 1100cc V4 engine found in the RSV4 and Tuono V4. This engine is known for its power and smoothness, making it ideal for touring bikes. Let's review V4 engine 107cc capacity, 175 HP at 11,350 RPM and 121 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM. The configuration of this engine may differ from the rest of the family, although it is estimated that the maximum power of 160 HP is more than enough for the Caponord.
The new Caponord V4 could also take advantage of Aprilia's latest technologies, such as semi-active suspension and traction control. This technology will help make the bike more comfortable and safe to ride, making it ideal for long journeys.
However, keep in mind that when reading some European media such as Motorrad and InMoto, we will find some speculations that are worth sharing. Aprilia could offer more than one variant of the Caponord V4 to its customers. To clearly differentiate them, we will call one basic and the other premium, but that does not mean that the basic one is exactly like that, but will have slightly different equipment. The chassis would also receive changes compared to the last generation of the Aprilia Caponord Gnome. The bike could feature a new chassis with a strong tubular steel frame combined with aluminum elements along with a steel rear subframe, which would guarantee a solid base to carry as much luggage as possible in 3 suitcases. There is no official release date for the new Aprilia Caponord V4, not even news about the latest developments regarding the bike. However, the current market trend is towards Maxi Trail, and you just have to look at the results. The Ducati Multistrada V4 is the best-selling model of the Borgo Panigale company, while the BMW R1250 GS remains one of the most popular in Europe. If you are looking for a sport touring bike, the new Caponord V4 could be a very interesting choice.